Hi friends, let me show you my new top-down, bottom-up cellular shadow shades. We are going to install them here in this room, in fact. These are really nice shades. Okay. Let me show you what you get. Let me open it up. Okay. You get the installation manual or installation instructions. You also get all the installation accessories, like these special hooks to fix it to the wall. Okay. This is the accessory to get it down, up and down, and you even get some screws for installation. Okay. This is the actual shade. Okay. It's wireless, so you just put it up and down with the help of this accessory that we're going to install later. And we're really happy because we're going to replace these old shades round with these new white shades for this window. Okay, so let's do it. Hi friends, now we have our new shades installed. As you can see, let me show you. They are really great because you can close everything if you don't want to see anything, but these shades are great. What about you want some light but not be seen? You can do this. This way you get light but still have some privacy. If you want to do it like this or however you want. Okay, this is a great shade because you can cover all the window or let some light pass and have everything else with privacy. I really like these shades and I really recommend them. Thank you.